Welcome back everyone. In the last video promised you we're going to test the inverter, and this time around they have to show you to prove to you that it's purely legit. So let's test the inverter quickly. And while trying to install the inverter, don't forget the polarity, positive and negative aspect to coincide with that of the inverter to avoid short circuiting the inverter, and in other words, they have to finally damage the inverter. Now let me switch it on. This is a reset button, simply a reset button, not actually a normal break button, but this one is for the output breakage. So the battery is still quite low, so that's why it's showing red battery. So I'm sorry you couldn't actually get it to work because you couldn't charge this battery. This is not actually the battery used for an inverter. The ampere reading is quite too low rather, compared to the deep cycle battery of an inverter. So basically what we're going to be doing today is showing you the readings and how the configuration of the oscillator board works. Then later I might show you how each component of the oscillator board and where to get your own board. Then also you also give you the reasons why the inverter was not able to on due to low voltage. Now let's start somewhere. Mind you, if you don't know what you are doing here, you could refer to our last video on where we started from how to make the inverter to earn $500 every week. So and you can also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on latest videos on this, because we really teach you how to make this from scratch on your own from home. Thank you. So let's start showing you some readings here. We have a multimeter here, so we have to reconnect our battery again, but mind you is low, so that I want to show the reason why we couldn't switch on. Don't forget, check your polarity. So why the inverter wasn't able to switch on was due to the PIC voltage input was below threshold. It was supposed to be 4.9 volts upward, but on reading it you see that due to the battery is low, the PIC volts input has decreased. So let's test it. I can put this here because this is an LM7805, which the regulator that delivers the voltage to the PIC. So let's test the reading. Don't forget I told you that it's supposed to be 4.9 volts upward, but now the reading is going to be below that. That's why I couldn't switch on. So you can see. Now if you can see from what we are having here, we have 1.88, very low. The battery strength has really decreased. We are supposed to be having 4.9 and above, so invariably it's not realistic for this inverter to switch on. It's not feasible until you charge our battery to an extent that delivers 5 volts to this PIC, but it is the power operation of the programmable IC here. So now let's confirm that the fault is really from the battery. Let's take the battery reading. Now you could see the battery is using 0.4. Wow, I think I need to get to charge this battery. I'm really cleaning the strength, but for the sake of this experiment and to show you guys what we have, let's just show you how to take some readings on the oscillator board here. So now for this flex port here, that each pin represents something here, and for the I'm going to show you the functions of each pin here and how they relate to the oscillator board. Mind you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated, and seriously mean it, we are going to give you a head start on how to build your own inverter from home. So now this is the port where we connected the splitters actually. So I'm going to give you the functions of each part of it. Now this is pin 1, and pin 1 shows the low when the battery is low, which was that red light that was shown earlier. Then pin 2 shows when the inverter is charging the battery, and the pin 3 shows when the inverter is already overloaded. Pin 4 shows the main one, that's the current entering through the inverter from the AC supply. Pin 5 shows that the inverter is on. Pin 6 shows the switch. While pin 7 here, we have pin 7 here, 7, 8. Pin 7 here shows is a reset button. That pin 6 and 7 is the reset button. Let me just show you something. You can't trigger now due to the battery is too low. And then 8 and 9 are null. Then 10 is the general negative for the board. So basically this is what we're going to be doing today. I really apologize for not showing you the whole concept due to my battery is low and I can't really continue giving you these excuses. And mind you, this one I'm going to set it out very soon, so I might just be using new boards I'm bringing up. So I'm going to be showing you from the new experiments I'm going to be doing, so you're going to be following me up. So but now I think this is what I have for today, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay with us and keep following us up. We'll give you more. We'll be right back.